6:30 a.m. And since then, we were negotiating with the police on a senior minister. And ultimately, we did go meet JP Nadda. However, this time, we have put two conditions. Number one, that the government comes with open mind to accept our conditions. Only then will we come and talk with them. And number two, this time we are not going to go to his house or his office. We want the government to come to us, and therefore they should come to Jantar Mantar.
You want the minister to come to Jantar Mantar?
To Jantar Mantar, but however, we are rational, educated people. So we do understand if he fears that there is a security situation here, we are willing to meet at another neutral place like the Constitution Club.
And your demands remain the same? Resignation of the...
Our demands remain the same. We want Dharmendra Pradhan's resignation. We want 1 crore compensation for the families of the dead NEET victims. And there's a third demand that any FIRs that have been filed against peaceful protesters, those have to be withdrawn, and a sovereign guarantee ought to come from the government that they won't proceed against anyone who has participated in this protest.
What about those, since you're saying FIRs, what about those who are seen on video resorting to violence? Surely there will be action against those who have targeted RAF or who have targeted government property, police property.
There should be an independent and thorough inquiry into the incident of police brutality. You would have seen the internet is flooded with videos of police resorting to brutal, almost lethal kind of lathi charge, using pellet guns. They have broken legs, they have pulled hair.
They have denied pellet guns, and they are saying policemen are also injured, and they have put out videos, or videos have been put out also of policemen who have been injured or have been targeted.
There are several videos of policemen just sitting there like this, doing nothing. There is no wound that is visible. But on the other hand, you look at the crackdown that has happened on peaceful protesters. The police will, of course, run their narrative. They are going to say we did nothing. They even put out a tweet clarifying and saying that we have acted very professionally and have used minimum force. But if you see the videos, it is telling a completely different, brutal story.
What happens if Dharmendra Pradhan doesn't resign?
The protest will continue. The protest is going larger. There are protests across the country. And this protest is going to become bigger and bigger.
We had Rahul Gandhi.